Welcome. If you're looking to export all GIFs from a Telegram group on your PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making it simple and easy to save every GIF from your favorite group chat. Let's get started by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature isn't available on the mobile app. Once Telegram is open, navigate to the group from which you want to export GIFs. Click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the Contact Info panel, where you can see details about the group and its members. Now, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the Contact Info panel. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Export Chat History. This is the key feature that allows you to download all kinds of media from your group, including GIFs. A new window will appear with several export options. Here you'll see checkboxes for different types of content: photos, videos, voice messages, stickers, and of course, GIFs. Make sure to check the box next to GIFs. If you only want GIFs, you can uncheck the other options, but you're free to include other media types if you wish. Before you proceed, you can also choose the export location on your computer and set the date range if you only want GIFs from a specific period. Once you've made your selections, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will now begin exporting the GIFs from your group chat. Depending on the size of the group and the number of GIFs, this process might take a few moments. When it's finished, a folder will be created on your computer containing all the exported GIFs, neatly organized and ready for you to use or share. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can export every GIF from a Telegram group and keep your favorite moments safe on your PC. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly saved collection of GIFs.